I will show you. This is earning of monthly earning of this channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my video. This video I will show you how to make money in YouTube and how to grow your channel fast. And this is my first video in this channel. I hope to you support me and like, comment and share to support me. Yes. And I'm so sorry because my English, it's not good English. I hope to you support me to improve myself in English. What you should to do to make money in YouTube and to grow your channel. I will show you some example of this channel and what you will do to grow your channel for fast and how to get, why not, ranking in first in trend. Yeah, you can do it. I will show you how you can do it. Okay guys, it's very nice person. Okay guys, this is my screenshot of, not screenshot, but screen video in my computer, and I will show you the idea what you should to do to make money in YouTube. Yeah, it's very easy and it's very simple. We see now this channel FBA YouTubers React to Ariana. Okay, this is the video you will do like that. I will show you the videos like what this channel, it come some YouTubers react to another videos like this YouTubers react to, again kids react, college kids react to. They comment some people to react to another videos. You will do like that. Yeah, I will show you the earning of this channel. Okay guys, this is the social blood. I will show you. This is earning of monthly earning of this channel. Yeah, it's very high, and this is the yearly earning. Yeah, 5 million or 6 million dollars in year. It's very nice. Okay guys, this channel get 2 million views daily views, like 3 million to here it's very nice views in this day. And look at in the earning of this day, it's very high. They comment to some people to react. This is its all idea. What you must to do if you want to competition this channel, it's very easy, because you will go to research or go to your parents or brothers or sisters or someone in your family and your friends, and give your friends some video and they react for this video. I hope you understand me. I know my English is bad, but try to understand me, because this is a very great idea. Yeah, I will show you some titles if you do that. Okay, this is some titles you will do in your channel to grow it for fast. Okay, friends react to, dad react to, mom react to, family react to, brother or brothers react to, sister react to, teacher react to, and you will research to some persons. If you want to do some funny video, you will do it, because like teacher reacts to, not exactly you will get people, real people. I think if you have a good personality to do some videos, some funny videos, you will you will do glasses and mustache, and you will react like a teacher, and you will do okay, like that. You will do some funny react. You will grow your channel for fast, because people like that. They like to funny reaction and unique reaction. It's not like all people. This is all idea. I hope to you to understand what I say in this idea. And if you want to grow your channel for fast, promote it in Facebook or WhatsApp, not WhatsApp, or in Instagram or in Twitter. You will grow it fast. If you don't have money to start to promote it, I will give you some offer of to get a chance to get 100 $100 like a gift, or in your PayPal account or your Visa card. This is a great business, and you will grow your channel, and you will do like reviews to some networks, and this is very important. And you will grow your channel, and you will make money in ads and reviews and like that. And if you interested to make money, to make a lot of money in YouTube with another things in YouTube, I will show you some methods in future. I will give you some course. I think you will grow your channel, and you will make money, daily making money, and you will see the result of some people study in this course. Yeah, this is very important to you to start and grow your business. And I hope to this video like you, and I hope to you understand. I forget. You can start now. Start in your mobile phone, or if you have a camera, not exactly to be have a camera to start. You will start in your phone, and this is very easy and very simple to start. Okay guys, link of this camera, if you want to buy it, in description with low price. And if you want to buy the course to learn how you will make 1,000 to 5,000 per day with the YouTube, I will give you the link in description, and you will see the reviews of the people they buy this course. And if you don't have a budget to start, I will give you the link in description also. I hope to this video like you. Don't forget to give me subscribe, and I hope to be a millionaire in fast time. This is all, and I hope to this video like you. This is all, and I'm so sorry to my English. It's not a good English, but I try to improve it. Okay guys, ciao, see you in another video.